My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
sponge Parkin. For this I'm using 1 pound of self-rising flour, pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 8 ounces of caster superfine sugar, 2 ounces of butter, 8 ounces of black treacle, 1 egg and 1 gill of milk. That's about 142 millilitres. Mix together the flour, salt, ginger and the sugar. What type of pizza does Good King Wenceslas like? Deep pan, crisp and even. Beat the egg in the milk. To get the treacle to flow, you have to put it in hot water first. Make sure you clean the can thoroughly afterwards or you'll get treacle everywhere. Now warm the butter and the treacle. Pour the mixture into a greased roasting tin or dripping tray. That one looked a bit big, so I've transferred it into a smaller one, around 11 inches by 7 inches, 190 by 270 centimeters. Beware that once it's cooled, it's very difficult to pour, so work quickly. Bake for an hour and a half at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Wait, did somebody say it needed custard? Sponge Parkin with custard. Lots of custard. Is that enough custard? Shall we try it? Ginger, sponge cake and custard. What more could you ask for? Delicious.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.